Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolutely beautiful day today. The reason why is, number one, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm getting a little bit older and I am a biohacker now. So I have the Wavytalk Glow Time LED Therapy Mask. We're going to go ahead and get this right on out, take it for a test run. In all honesty, I need to do a little bit more red light than I typically do. I used to do it every day. Sometimes routines can get a little overwhelming, especially if you start adding more stuff to the routine or if you're traveling and then you come back. Anyway, just like all my videos, top link in the description box below will be this exact same therapy mask by Wavytalk, where you can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video is done, of course. Let's get on into the product. So I know you've seen these before. If you haven't, then I'm going to show it to you. So let's go ahead and get this guy on out. And as I'm getting a little bit older, I definitely do not want wrinkles and everything that red light does support. There's a lot of good stuff. Just ask ChatGPT and they'll be able to tell you everything. Okay, it says store the mask flat. Don't bend it, as in like crinkle it up like that. So store it flat, and you need to remove this plastic sheet right here. And then again, store it flat. So just put it like in your sock drawer, towel drawer, lay it flat like that, push in your drawer. Now, if you are wondering, we're looking at probably a 3-foot long plug, USB on this side here. We're going to put the mask out of the way for just a second and we're going to be right back to it. But we also have ourselves a USB to type USB-C. We also have a remote mode time level, and we also have right and a left here, little silicone, I believe that is. In this box here, we have our manuals, and in this box here, we have our travel bag or storage bag, which is really nice for travel. And then we have Velcro straps, really secure that over our head and back of our head there. We'll show you that in use. Now, excellent news with this precise LED light mask here. Not only is it red light, you also have blue light for anti-acne and rejuvenation mode, which is the yellow light. Yellow light is 590 nm. The anti-acne mode is 415 blue light, 360 nm red light, and the auto fine line mode, which is your red light at 630 nm red light and 850 nm NIR. They're recommending 3 to 5 times per week and no more than 30 minutes per use. Alrighty, so taking a look at the mask a little bit closer here. Again, all of our light LEDs all across the mask. On the nose, you have space, of course, for your mouth and eyes. Now, what we saw earlier, the right and left, these are going to be for your eyes. For right here and here, you'll be able to lay on that a little bit nicer. Hook in. We'll show you that. You have your straps, your little loops right here for your Velcro, and Wavytalk Beauty right there. Little design to it. You've probably seen the people on videos where they're wearing it like on their actual airline, and there's just red light just streaming all over the place while people are trying to sleep. So probably won't do that. Probably will do this while I'm watching a vlog at nighttime before bed. Double it up with my red light panel that I have. So hit 2 birds with 1 stone. Even while I'm editing a video at my stand-up desk, I can do the face, still edit the video, and do my red light panel as well. All right, let's show you how this works. Okay, I do want to show you, and now I have the ear straps as well as the head strap. It's all just one piece over here, one piece over here. So this Velcros around the back right here, and then this is over the top portion of your head right here. We have my little eye inserts right there. All of our LEDs once again. Now, something I didn't show you up close just a little bit ago is to power it up is going to be with this. This is, I'm just calling it the remote here, but the USB portion clicks into the top of it right here. To recharge this, which is battery powered, then you use the USB to USB Type-C to recharge this device right here. So you literally can get up and go on the plane. You don't need a power outlet or a power bank. This is technically a power bank right here, and this is what controls it. So we turn it on for 2 seconds, and here is our LCD screen right here. Battery indicator right up here, top right. You have level 3, which is anti-fine line, and 20 minutes. So you can go ahead and click over, which this is level 1. We have level 2, level 3, and level 1 once again. So 3 levels. Let me go ahead and go over here. So level 2 brings it up a little bit. Level 3 brings it up even more, and back to level 1. And then time right here, we can do 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 15. I don't think Looks like you can only do it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes back down to 10. You don't have to do it the full time, just set a timer on your phone. And run time is 1 to 6 hours, and charging time is 4 hours for the device. And yes, correct. Those are the only time frames, which is 10, 15, and 20 once again. Okay, now that's going to be the 3 different levels for the anti-fine line, and it says anti-fine line right here, level 3. Now let's go ahead and hit the mode button. This is going to be anti-acne right here, turns into a purple color here. And of course you have levels 1, 2, and 3 for anti-acne. Says it right here. And then we hit it one more time, mode. We see rejuvenation right here on the screen, and levels 1, 2, and 3 for a yellow light for rejuvenation. And then just to turn it off, same thing, turning it on, long press, couple seconds, turns off, turns on. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our switches right over here. It's been a crazy windy day. I have the microphone on, but it's been a crazy day. So this is kind of a day where you just chill inside. It's a beautiful summer day, but like we're getting 30-mile-an-hour gusts, kind of crazy. My hair is a little gnarly, so I'm wearing a beanie, so I'll go ahead and take that off in just a second here. And the Velcro is very sticky, by the way. It's actually on right now. Let's go ahead, take off my beanie, forgive the hair. We're gonna put it around. This goes up here. You could do one or the other first, but that goes on the top, and this comes around the back. And hopefully the microphone will pick me up just fine. And so now I am on the lowest setting, but we'll go ahead and crank that up here. Let's go ahead and hit the highest setting, and we're gonna go ahead and chill out. We're gonna do 10 minutes. And in the daytime, I can't really see. I mean, like if I look down, I can see some LED lights like around my lip area, but there's no like, and I think that's what those pads are for, is they're just like, it pushes the mask out a little bit where like I barely see anything, again, right through this area right here. And the timer automatically goes down, whatever one you choose. So now it says 9 minutes, and I can see perfectly fine. It looks like it's almost like, obviously not full peripheral, but pretty darn close. Like it might cut off just a little bit over here and here, but I mean, I can see excellently. I could be working on my laptop. I could be on my phone. Again, your feet up, relaxing a little bit. I don't know if you'd want to go out in public like this, just to be honest with you. Now, because this is a new product and it's a product review, very slight silicone or whatever it's made of, a little bit of a scent to it. What you could do is you could wipe it down. Directions do state that. I would use like, you know, obviously a clean rag, wipe it down, but I mean very slightly, but you know, I'm just going to include it in the review. But oh yeah, I mean, like literally, I'm going to edit this down, but I'm going to jump on here. I'm going to do some scheduled posts for Instagram. Not to mention probably lower that shade. That evening sun is hot. Oh, I can't really sip on this. Well, you might be able to. If you had a straw, yeah, if you had a straw, you sure could. Here's a closer look. Overall, looking really, really strong. I do want to get a shot as it gets a little bit more darker as well. Let me hit my switches with my blinds. Let me see if we can lower that down a little bit. And this is very light to be portable. Now, next generation, I'd love to see like a belt clip or something like that on here, where you could like put that on a belt clip instead of putting that in your pocket or instead of holding it. But I mean, it's super, super light. Alrighty, there we go. That's a little bit better for you here. So now you can see it a lot better. Alrighty, so as you can see here now, let me go ahead and explain this a little bit more here. Now the shades are drawn. So now with it dark, I can see a little bit of light up here. And then if I look down, obviously I can see a little bit more right through like my upper lip area, but not like an LED light is like really affecting my vision, if that makes any sense. So you can see a little hue, but you just obviously it's not like right there. Let's get you a little closer look, as you can see my eyes and then my mouth. So you can use a straw, even morning smoothie. Again, if you're gonna be doing red light, double it up. Unless you want to just chill, like you literally could set a timer. We're going to find out if this thing beeps or not. We got ourselves 5 more minutes, and we're going to find out or not. I mean, honestly, just tie it in with watching a television show, working on the computer, your morning prayer time. If you're just chilling inside, why not? Double dip. I like to drink coffee though. I don't like to drink coffee out of a straw, so I might have to alter my times. Watch a vlog. Watch my vlog channel on YouTube. And also, if you're wondering, nothing's hot. Like I almost feel like it's slightly warm, but like not really. Like maybe right. No, not really. I mean, it's a hot day today. Not warm at all on the outside. I'll test it on the inside in just a little bit. But no, I'm touching the LED lights. Not hot, not warm, but it's like 86 degrees right now. So anything against your skin is going to be a little bit warm. All right, I am going to, you know what? I'm going to pray a little bit, and I'm even going to do a little surfing visualization. Look at my mouth. Be back with you. Well, I'll be honest with you. I kind of nodded off there for a little bit. Very relaxing. I am doing another cycle of 10 minutes, and it did beep after 10 minutes, and it will shut off, obviously. So you'll hear a beep, and then it will shut off. But if you want to go for a different time frame than 10, 15, or 20 minutes, then just set your alarm. If you just want to do a quick little 5 minutes or whatnot on your phone, that will beep, turn it off, etc. Then, of course, work, stand-up desk, edit your videos. Controller is literally right next to me. I've had it on for 18 minutes. Battery indicator hasn't moved at all. I'm on the highest setting. Plug away at your work. Again, I could have my other body light panel right here in front of me. Double dip, you might as well. Or chill on the couch with your pup like this, enjoying a nice little vlog. Have yourself a little stew. If you're gonna do a routine, you might as well enjoy doing it. So it's not like, I gotta do it, or I forgot to do it. It's really easy when you're enjoying a television show, working, scrolling. Don't scroll too much, but you guys get the idea. I'm definitely going to be putting this into my weekly routine. I'm going to do a little bit more research on how much I can do it for, what's the best benefits, as it just turned off right now. I'll be figuring that out for time frames. I do have some sunspots I want to get rid of as well, so what power mode I want to be on for that. Feels light, it's not heavy. The only thing after, maybe 20 minutes of wearing it is it's almost like very light swim goggles kind of on my brows of my brow bone, so to speak. That's the only thing that I can tell as I'm about to take it off. But when I'm wearing it, not at all. But it does feel like, I was wearing like maybe just again up in my upper brow area. So again, forgive the hair, but I will be putting this into my regimen. And very comfortable. The straps in the back didn't flip flop or anything like that. You definitely could even walk on a under desk treadmill, no issues. I like it. And again, once you're done, go ahead and set that guy nice and flat. Put that in your drawer. Bada bing, bada boom. And also, it did not get hot or warm after 20 minutes. It's just a hot day. Once again, top link in the description box below is going to be this exact same LED mask by the company. You guys can read more about it. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. This house being fully remodeled and finished. More videos like this, tech reviews and more. Once again, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment, is your link for this LED mask. I will see you on the next video. My name is Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye.